In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or simply managing personal finances, keeping digital records of your receipts is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and easy access during tax season. Fortunately, QuickBooks Online makes this process streamlined and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, let's navigate to the right place in QuickBooks. Start by locating the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but you'll want to click on Transactions. This is your hub for all monetary exchanges, purchases, sales, and so on. Once you're in the Transactions section, direct your attention to the top where you'll find the Receipts tab. Clicking this will take you to the area specifically designed for uploading and managing your digital receipts. It's like having a virtual shoebox, a neat, organized one, right within your accounting software. Once you're on the Receipts page, you'll notice a large area specifically meant for uploading. This is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop images of your receipts directly into this section. So, locate the image file of the receipt on your computer. This could be a photo you took with your smartphone or a scanned receipt. Simply click and hold the file, drag it over to the designated area on your screen, and then drop it. As soon as you do, QuickBooks Online works its wizardry. Their AI technology will spring into action, automatically extracting information from the receipt. This means you'll see fields auto-filled with the date, vendor name, and amounts. It saves a significant amount of time and minimizes human error. Now, after QuickBooks has filled in the details for you, it's important to double-check this information. You'll be guided to the field editor, which is where you can review the info the AI has extracted. Take a careful look to ensure everything is correct. After all, accuracy is key in bookkeeping. If you spot any discrepancies or missing information, this is your chance to make adjustments. This part of the process ensures that your records faithfully reflect what was stated on your original receipt. There you have it. Uploading receipts in QuickBooks Online is that simple. By harnessing the power of technology, the process becomes quicker, easier, and more reliable. Embrace this tool as part of your regular accounting routine, and you'll find it incredibly helpful in keeping your records tidy and accurate. Remember, a little time spent today can save a lot of headaches down the road. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.